Patients that are in need of medical marijuana are being discriminated against by the federal government because of the legal status of their prescription. These patients all have legal prescriptions that are provided by a licensed doctor. It's time for America to change its laws about medical marijuana and to stop treating patients like criminals. Patients with cannabis cards need to be treated like any other patient. Patients with ADD are prescribed drugs such as Ritalin, Strattera, or Adderall to treat their needs. Why should patients that require medical marijuana be treated like criminals instead of people in need of medicine? Cannabis is currently used for the following symptoms: AIDS wasting syndrome, arthritis, brain injury or stroke, multiple sclerosis, nausea associated with the cancer chemotherapy, anti-tumor effects, asthma, epilepsy, glaucoma, schizophrenia, general pain, chronic pain, migraines or headaches, and eating disorders. Dr. Donald Abrams, Chief of Hematology and Oncology at San Francisco General Hospital and Professor of Clinical Medicine at UC San Francisco, says he sees cancer patients in pain, not eating or sleeping well, experiencing nausea and vomiting from treatment, and being depressed about their situation. He says he is glad that he lives in California, where use of medical marijuana is allowed by state law, although federal officials continue to raid cannabis clubs in state and scrutinize practices of physicians who specialize in writing cannabis recommendations for patients. All of the myths about marijuana are flat out not true, or they are greatly exaggerated. One myth is that smoking marijuana damages your central nervous system. This is not true at all. Being high from marijuana slightly reduces your control of your motor skills. Critics have taken this fact and blown it out of proportion. Another myth is that marijuana has over 400 chemicals and therefore it is dangerous. Well, just so you know, coffee has about 1,500 chemicals and rat poison has about 30. So the idea of chemicals being dangerous is stupid and ignorant. Marijuana has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years and is one of the oldest medicines used by humans. Marijuana was made illegal because of racism too. The Marijuana Tax Act of 1937 put a very heavy tax on marijuana, $100 per ounce, and this is when you could buy Coke and a candy bar for a quarter. During the 1930s, the majority of high-paying jobs were taken by white males. Most people of color during this time had labor-intensive, low-paying jobs. The Tax Act tried to discreetly make it illegal for non-whites to buy marijuana because they couldn't afford to pay the tax on it, and eventually marijuana was made completely illegal in the 1970s with the Controlled Substance Act. It's time to make a difference in the environment we live in today. Click the link on the right side of this page to sign the petition to federally legalize the use of marijuana for medicinal purposes.